Git src refspec does not match any. What does src refspec does not match any mean? This error happens when Git cannot find the branch or reference you are trying to push or pull. It means the branch name does not exist, or the branch has no commits, or you typed the wrong branch name, or the branch was never created, or there is nothing to push. So src refspec does not match any equals. Git looks for a branch plus finds nothing plus throws an error. Why this error matters? It is important because your code is not being pushed. Remote repo is not updated. Work is blocked. CD may fail. Collaboration stops. Without fixing. Crossmark code stays local. Crossmark remote repo is empty. Crossmark team cannot see changes. Crossmark deployment fails. Crossmark confusion happens. With fixing. Checkmark code reaches remote. Checkmark branch is created. Checkmark repo becomes usable. Checkmark team can collaborate. Checkmark workflow continues. Why you might see this error? This usually happens when you created a repo but made no commit. You pushed a wrong branch name. You renamed a branch incorrectly. You tried to push before committing. You copied a push command blindly. Without fix. Crossmark push always fails. Crossmark repo stays empty. Crossmark no history is created. Crossmark setup looks broken. With fix. Checkmark branch is found. Checkmark first commit is created. Checkmark push works. Checkmark repo syncs. Checkmark development continues. Typical situations where this happens. Common scenarios. New repository setup. First push attempt. Renamed main branch. Copied tutorial command. Wrong branch spelling. Example. You run push command, but branch has no commits. Why? Git needs at least one commit. Empty branch has no ref. Nothing matches refspec. Basic troubleshooting steps. First checks. Check current branch. List all branches. Check commit history. Verify branch name. Confirm remote URL. Why? Ensure branch exists. Avoid wrong push. Prevent confusion. Identify missing commit. Fix 1. Make your first commit. Use when repository has no commits. Result. Branch is created properly. Why? Git now has a reference. Push becomes possible. Repo gets history. Bad practice. Crossmark try pushing without commit. Crossmark force push blindly. Good practice. Checkmark add files. Checkmark commit once. Checkmark then push. Fix 2. Push the correct branch name. Use when branch name is wrong. Result. Correct branch is pushed. Why? Git finds the branch. Push succeeds. Repo syncs. Bad practice. Crossmark push random branch. Crossmark assume branch name. Good practice. Checkmark check branch name. Checkmark match local and remote. Checkmark use consistent naming. Fix 3. Rename branch properly. Use when default branch mismatch. Result. Local branch matches remote. Why? Avoid refspec errors. Keep naming consistent. Cleaner workflow. Warning danger. Crossmark wrong rename breaks push. Crossmark confuses teammates. Good practice. Checkmark use main or master clearly. Checkmark rename once. Checkmark push again. Fix 4. Set upstream branch. Use when remote branch does not exist yet. Result. Local branch links to remote. Why? Future pushes work. No need to type branch. Clean tracking. Bad practice. Crossmark push without upstream. Crossmark mix branch names. Good practice. Checkmark set upstream. Checkmark use same branch name. Checkmark verify remote. Daily workflow to avoid this error. Safe workflow. Initialize repo. Add files. Commit first. Check branch. Then push. Why? No empty branch. Clean history. No refspec error. Predictable pushes. Common mistakes that cause this error. Pushing before commit. Wrong branch name. Misspelled command. Copy-paste errors. Wrong tutorial. Why? Git finds no ref. Push fails. User gets stuck. Branch and history structure. Good structure. Main. Feature, login. Feature, payment. Bad structure. No commits. Wrong branch. Random names. Why? Git can track branches. Push works. History is clear. How this error affects teams. When handled wrong. Delayed pushes. Empty repos. Broken pipelines. Confusion. When handled right. Checkmark repo initializes cleanly. Checkmark code is visible. Checkmark CD works. Checkmark team trust improves. Real-life analogy. SRC refspec does not match any is like trying to mail a letter with no address. Letter equals your code. Address equals branch name. No address equals no delivery. In simple words, SRC refspec does not match any means. Branch does not exist. OR branch has no commit. Git cannot find what to push. Fix equals create commit. Check branch name. Push correctly. Best practices. Use. Checkmark always commit first. Checkmark check branch name. Checkmark use consistent naming. Checkmark verify remote. Checkmark push after commit. Avoid. Crossmark pushing empty repo. Crossmark guessing branch names. Crossmark copying wrong commands. Crossmark skipping verification. This error teaches you to create commits. Verify branches. Push correctly. Keep clean history. Avoid confusion. A good Git workflow. Checkmark starts with commit. Checkmark uses correct branch. Checkmark syncs with remote. Checkmark avoids errors. Checkmark builds confidence.